In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include reference citation with square brackets in MS Word. If you write reports, papers, or assignments that call for bracketed references, like 1, 2, and so on, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, most reliable way to set that up using Word's built-in tools. Start by opening your Word file. You can use an existing document or a new one, the steps are the same. Once your document is open, head to the References tab at the top of the window. This is where Word keeps all its citation and bibliography features. Look for the Style drop-down menu. Click it and select IEEE. Choosing IEEE is the key to getting square bracketed. Numbered citations. Other styles might use author date formats or parentheses. But IEEE gives you those clean, sequential numbers in brackets that are standard in many technical fields. Next, place your cursor exactly where you want the citation to appear in your text, usually right after the sentence or clause you are supporting. Click Insert Citation, then choose Add New Source. This opens a window where you'll describe the source you are citing. Start by selecting the appropriate source type, such as a book, a journal article, a conference paper, or a website. Then fill in the bibliographic details carefully. Author names, title, year, journal, or publisher, and any other requested fields. Accurate, consistent capitalization and punctuation here will save you time later and keep your final list looking professional. When you are done, click OK. Word will immediately insert a numbered citation in square brackets at your cursor, and it will remember that source for reuse anywhere else in the document. As you continue writing, you can repeat that same process to add more citations. Word will keep the numbering consistent and in order of appearance, so you don't have to renumber anything manually. When you are ready to generate your list of references, scroll to the end of your document and click where you want the list to go. On the References tab, choose Bibliography, then select either Bibliography or Cited Works from the gallery. Word will compile the full list from the sources you cited in the document, formatted to match the IEEE style you selected earlier. If you add more citations later, simply return to this spot and refresh the list so everything stays in sync. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.